Wheels of Fortune, round 2. Let's see what's in the box. Hello there. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to open our second set of Wheels of Fortune and see if it's any better than last time. Just got home from work, got out of the shower, and ran out here to see what I got. So I am excited. I hope you're as excited as I am. Alright, got a few things. Jordan did order something with me, so we'll pull his stuff out real quick as well. And then you can look at that and see if you think this is worth it. Alright, so what Jordan got was a benchtop mat, much like the one that I got in my order a few months ago. And then with that you also get this little cool pit mat, rubber parts tray thing. It is textured on the bottom, which is nice. That's one of the things that I think I would like over mine, is this little guy has a little texture. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. Put that over there for him. And we will get into what we came for. Wheels of Misfortune, round 2.
Round 2, fight.
So, here we go. Pick a number between 1 and 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Pick this one. Okay, cool. Alright, let's see what we got. As always, haven't opened this before. I wait for you guys for pretty much everything that I ever open. Crap all over my knife here. So let's find out. Are you ready? If it's another set of red 310s, I'm gonna start throwing shit. Ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. I can't even. I was just joking too. I thought I saw something blue. Red 310s. Again. Some 475 hubs this time, which is cool. And 2 IFR rings. I'm missing some rings. Let me make sure they're not in the box. Nope, they're not in the box. I'm missing 2 IFR rings. So that makes my third set of red 310s. I don't even know what to say at this point. I don't know what to say. All I know, man, I hope these aren't 310s. The only thing I can say is if these are 310s, and I was being pranked right now. Suck it up. Like, ha 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 ha, we sent you another 2 sets of red 310s. All I can do is laugh. I got them cheap, so it is what it is. They're half price. I'm not going to worry about it. I can always send them to Rusty, I can always sell them, but I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do with 3 sets of red 310s. Alright, here we go. This is the next one. See what we got. Hopefully it's not red and they're not 310s. They could be anything else. Come on. Come on. Oh, I see blue rings. I see blue IFR rings, so these are the deltas. Very nice. Got that. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm going to show you first. 600s. I got some 600s. I don't need those. Oh wait, I got 600s and 475s. That's interesting. Got a little mix and match. What I got here? I got red 310s. I got red 310s. I got red 310s and 2 blue IFR rings. Now, I thought I don't even know what to say right now. If I'm not being trolled, and this is just pure coincidence, I don't even know what to say right now. I honestly don't know what to say. I don't know. Okay, I only got 2 more IFR rings. Man, I hate to sound like a bitch or like, but this is fucking ridiculous. In all honesty, this is fucking stupid. I've paid a lot of money for 4 of the same goddamn wheel. I'm legitimately shitting now. Yep. So that's it. I was not having the greatest day to begin with, and I came home to 2 more sets of red 310s after the other set. If you haven't seen the video, go watch the other video where Jordan and I open up 2 other sets of red 310s. So yeah, I've seen so much cool stuff on Facebook. I'm sorry that wasn't more interesting. I got 2 blue rings with some red. Alright, that's all. I guess I'm going to go get an RC 4-wheel drive mystery box because it might as well have gotten the same exact goddamn thing. So, that's it. I'll let you know what they say. I will see you later. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment about this joke. So, I will see you later. Bye.